In this video, we're going to talk about one of the quickest methods in order to get keywords from a YouTube video. So if you go down, you're going to see that they don't actually have the keywords listed. They used to list out keywords and they have removed that. So if I was doing some keyword research and I want to find out what my competitors' videos, what keywords they're using, I could enter in the search term there, go to the video. So I'm just going to pick out a video here that's relatively new, got quite a lot of views, and I can see that this isn't a supersized channel. They've got 3,000 subscribers. So I could only assume that this could possibly be very well optimized. The keywords they could be using could be very effective. So I'm just going to go over into that video. And it's going to pause the video there. And as you can see here, you don't see any of the keywords listed. So the best and quickest way to get those keywords and see the keywords is to simply right click. Right now I'm using Chrome. So the different browsers may have different options to view the source code. Generally, if you're on a Windows machine, you can just do Control U, or you could click anywhere on the page and get the source code. There's also an option when you go into the browser to do the source code as well. So I'm just going to open up the source code, and under the source code, the URL for the source code is, if you want, you can just take view source and you can put that in front of the URL and then just press enter. So that's another way to see the same source code. And as you can see here, this is the source code for that URL, and it's got a whole bunch of code, and then it does have some useful information here, what we were looking for. It does have the description, and it's got keywords. So generally there's going to be two sets of keywords within the code. The first one is within the metadata of the page. So this one is going to be a shortened amount of keywords. It's not going to hold all the keywords that the second list here does. So this is the second one here is the actual video keywords that are typed in for the video. And as you can see here, these are all the different video keywords that are typed in. So they're obviously trying to optimize for step-by-step, easy, step-by-step, how to tie a tie, step-by-step. So they are focusing on that step-by-step, and they are doing optimization for that particular keyword set. So you can see that the phrase they're going after and how they've done it and how they've structured it. So this is a great way to be able to get some information on your competition, to spy on your competition a little bit, depending on whatever your phrase is that you're going after. Do a quick search for it and search them down, and then just do an overall page source code to be able to find the keyword phrases. So that's a quick and easy way to get keywords from your competition without any types of tools or anything like that.